sorry if your kids heard that.
I got
Earphones.
Good.
Yeah.
Your kids didn't hear anything. Good.
That's smart. Maybe I should get upset at them.
All right, PG it is. Okay, I'll do
Okay,
question number 1.
I
I completed the
don't
individual preparation. I'm gonna go with true.
Sounds like a good plan. I'm going to answer question number 2. I actively participated in this week's group meeting. Yes, true.
Oh, good job, everybody.
Roll
Back
in.
up. You guys are such gems. I didn't handle you guys. Okay. I'm going to attempt
Alright.
number 3. We ready?
Yes, that looks like a really easy one.
Yeah. In a pie chart, why are the slices different sizes? The size of each slice is random.
No, it's not
Oh.
random.
It's
I haven't
determined by the
read them.
categories, right?
I would say
It's,
so.
It's not determined by the number of
I can't-
categories. No.
No?
Oh, no, not the number of categories.
Oh, each slice represents a category.
Yes.
And the area of each
Area
slice
of each
represents
slice
the
represents-
proportion.
Yeah,
That's what I'm gonna go with as well.
that sounds
Yes.
correct.
Okay. Sounds like we're off to a really great start, guys.
All right. We can do this. It's all right.
Gabby, it's your turn.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, sorry. I'm trying to get my VMware up, but I can do it. Okay. How are bar charts and Pareto charts related?
Do you remember it?
No.
The
I want
only
to say
difference,
it's the last one.
because there's the most words in the answer.
Yep.
The only difference is the ordering is largest to smallest, left to right.
So I was right.
You nailed it.
Woohoo!
Good job.
All right. Number 5. We conclude that p hat is normally distributed if np is greater than or equal to 10 and n times 1 minus p is greater than or equal to 10. Is p the true proportion or the sample proportion? So p is the true proportion and p hat is the sample proportion. So question 5 is the letter B.
And question
That was
6
really
says,
hard.
What is
Yes.
n? And I think n is always the sample size, right?
I concur.
Awesome. Got question 6.
Now we're in trouble. P is 0.25. This is just funky for me, but I think we just have to work backwards in the equation. Right?
Did anyone open the thing?
The
Oh, never mind. It was just the normal probability
Not
applet.
So
Don't worry about it.
we need n times 0.25 is greater than or equals to 100. That's our formula, Miranda.
Wait,
Go.
what was it again? N
So n, we don't know n. That's what we're trying to solve.
equals. Yeah.
n
so it's
times 0.25. That's 1/4.
And
n times 0.25 has to be greater than or equal to 10. What's our number?
Hmm.
I don't know what you do for this. Do you just like
Well,
reverse
you would
solve it?
do, yeah, you would do 10 divided by 0.25, which is 40.
Okay,
So
then that should be the answer.
40
What is the smallest
times
number?
5 is 10.
Okay, I'm going with it. Anybody got a different answer?
We're going with 40?
That's my formula. You got
Okay.
something better? You offer it up because I don't got nothing.
no.
Nope.
That's what I got.
I understand.
Does that make sense? Does that make sense for that formula?
Yeah, and oh wait. Well, on top, question number 5, it says n times 1 minus p is equal to greater than 10. Is that 0.25?
Okay, so 0.25, 1 minus 0.25 is n times 0.75.
1 minus 0.25.
What does that equal? If we have 40 times 0.75.
So 10 divided by 0.75. That, hold on. Divided by 0.75. That's 13.333. So 13.333.
So we have two different answers because we had two different. But it has to be. That's
It
13 is
depends.
greater than. All right. Who wants to
Yeah.
put 40 in? Who wants to put 13.333?
I'll put the 13.333. You can put 40.
Going with 40.
Okay.
I'll let you know.
Okay. I'll let you know too.
Okay. Number 8. Suppose n equals 24 and p equals 0.4. What is the mean of p hat, P-H-A-T, round answer to the 10th place? Okay.
So is this the same kind of formula again?
I believe so.
So we do, well, we know n. So 24 times by, is it 1 minus 0.04 or is it just 0.04?
There's one in the notes that's talking about the square root divided by the square root of n here. I gotta find that formula. Emma, do you have it?
I'm just looking it up right now.
Because this is different to find p hat.
Oh, p hat is the square root of p times 1 minus p divided by n.
Mm-hmm.
Is that
Yeah,
it?
Yeah,
I think
that's it.
so.
Sorry for interrupting. Emma.
Well, no, there was one formula for standard deviation too. That I think that one's the standard deviation.
Well, yeah, that is a standard deviation.
So I'm
of
just
p hat.
saying x divided by n equals p hat.
xn. Okay, let's try that. X. Well,
Do
what's
we have an x? We
X
don't have an
divided
X.
by n.
We just have an n and a 4 or a p.
for the love?
For the love.
That's very nice.
So is it just the simple one, the x over n?
Wait. It.
I'm confused now.
I think the mean of p hat is equal to p. Why do I have that written in my notes? Emma, do you have anything like that? The mean of p hat? Isn't that the same as p?
I think it is. I remember reading that, but I just am trying to look through the textbook to
Which
double
would be
check.
0.4, the mean of p hat.
Oh.
I don't know.
So I have
I mean-
another. Oh, but that's the standard deviation one.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
the
I
one
got
that I
that.
was looking at.
Well, the standard deviation one on the bottom, it says where p is the true population portion, which is also the mean of the distribution of p hat. But that, I don't know.
I just wrote in mine that the mean of p hat is p.
No, that's so it's on 3.2.2, and it says mean of p hat equals p. So you're right.
0.4. Boom.
Oh yeah, the mean of p hat equals p. I see it.
So we put 0.4.
Wow.
Okay.
Now we do
Question
standard deviation.
Doing well. So now we're trying to find the standard deviation of p hat.
Okay, so that's your formula. The square root of p times 1 minus p over n. I believe.
In Miracle?
Hi.
Talking cat.
I'm talking to the cat.
Okay, so we're doing the p times 1 minus divided by n and then square root all of it, right? That's what we're doing here.
Do we have to square root the whole thing? Or just n?
It says
Yeah.
square root all of it.
Okay.
At least that's what I have on my formula.
Okay, who's cat?
It's Brad and Emily's cat.
Oh.
But they're in the Bahamas, so she's really lonely.
That's nice of
So
them to invite
she's
me.
seeking refuge with me.
Sorry, I couldn't come.
Okay, I got like a weird number, but I got one with about 100 zeros after it. Point one with a million zeros.
Yeah, I got 0.1 too.
0.12.
No, I have 0.1.
As in, she got it as well.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Anybody get different for 9.1?
Did you say 9.1? I just got 0.1.
Question 9.1.
Oh, yes. Okay. I'm sorry. I am out of it today.
That's okay. That's okay. We're cruising. We gotta get Emma done by 10. Emma, did you finish that one? Did you get it?
So 0.91, yeah?
No, point one.
Question number 9 is 0.1.
I got it, guys.
One with a whole whack of zeros. Okay. Brittany's batting average is 0.3. We want to determine the probability she will get more than 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats. N equals 100 and P equals 0.3. What is P hat?
So then that one's just,
0.33.
X over N.
yeah.
X over
X
N.
over N.
So what's X then?
Is
No,
that
what
the
is X?
P?
Is it 35? It's 35. It's 35.
That's the sample.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
How do you know
because
that?
we want to get the probability she will get more than 35 hits. So we're trying to figure out the probability she'll get 35 hits. So that would be X.
35 over 100, 0.35.
35, 100.
0.35.
How do you feel about that, Emma? Good?
I'm confused by that because we said that P equals P hat.
No, the mean. The mean.
Oh, okay.
Not the P hat, just the mean of P hat.
Okay, thank you.
You got it. All right, standard deviation of P hat now.
Oh, great.
Okay,
So this
no,
was
this
Now
is
we're doing the big
that same
The
formula.
square root one.
All right, on your marks, set, go.
3 times by 1 minus 0.3. Crap. I just got the answer and then I deleted it. So rounding, I believe I got 0.005 question mark.
I got 0.0458.
See, I
So
got
rounded.
that, but I got 2 zeros after the point. So I got 0.00458.
All right, try it again. I got close to you, but I got 0,
Let me try it.
4. It'll be 0.46 rounded.
She's really sad.
No, that's a happy meow. Come on.
Is that a happy meow? I don't know cats.
Meow, 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 meow. All right, Emma, what's your formula look like? You got it?
So I'm putting 0.3 times 1 subtract 0.3 all over 100. And then I'm square rooting it at the end, yeah?
Yep.
I think you're right, Jeremy. I did it wrong. I had too many zeros. So I've got 0.0458. So 0.046.
You got it. That's what I'm thinking too.
That's what I had as well.
Okay, we're on question 12, and we have 30 minutes left for Emma.
Oh, you guys are geniuses.
Okay, Emma, this one's all you now.
Oh, goody.
Wait, you guys.
This one looks like a crazy one. It looks like it's going to be p hat minus p divided by the square root of p minus or times 1 minus p divided by n.
But technically, we have the bottom half of that section.
Oh yeah, so that one's 0.045. So basically, it's p hat minus p divided by 0.045, right?
Yeah.
Nice, Emma.
Okay, on your marks, get set, go, Miranda.
I'm already gone.
Can someone tell me what 11 was? I
can.
was doing it by myself, and then you guys moved on, and yeah.
Oh, sorry, it was the cat.
Yeah.
I have
I know.
0.046.
0.043?
No, 0.046.
Wow. I don't know.
Okay, and for the z-score, I have 1.111. What do you think?
Say it again.
1.111. Does it sound correct or not?
Give me your formula one more time. You got p hat minus p.
Yep, so I got 0.35 minus 0.3. And I've got that answer is 0.05.
0.05.
And then I divided that by 0.045 because that's already what we know. Oh,
Point
And I got it.
0.046 when we rounded it, though.
oh yeah, 0.046. What? Now I got a negative answer. Hang on, doing it over again. 0.35 minus 0.05. Divided that by 0.045. Yeah, I got 1.111.
I have a different answer than that.
What did you get, Emma?
I had 1.087.
Okay, this is my answer. Oh, I just hit it again. I had 1.091. So I go 0.35 minus 0.3 equals 0.05 divided by 0.0458, which is what we had. We rounded it. And that gives me 1.091.
I was doing mine with the 0.046. I had rounded it previously.
So Jeremy's would be a more correct answer, right?
Yeah, so you just went back and unrounded the answer, correct?
Well, yeah, I redid that formula because we had to round it to 3 decimal places, so it makes a difference. I don't know which will be right though, because
No, I'm sure yours will be right though.
Yeah.
I don't know, because if we take the real answer unrounded and then use that, it's different than if we take the rounded answer. I'm gonna try it just with the rounded answer and see.
You'll get 1.07.
0.7. Write that number down just in case.
I have it.
In case we get that wrong on number 12.
So what are we putting? 1.0?
1.09.
Okay.
9.1.
Oh, 91. Wait, would it be 2? No? Because there's a 7.
Yeah.
9.2. I just don't know where the rounding takes place. Was there any advice at the top?
But all other quizzes and everything has always been at the very, very end you round. So
Yeah.
Yeah, this one at the top says do not round until your calculation is complete.
yeah.
I like
So,
that idea.
okay. Number, what? 13.
13.
What is the probability Brittany gets at least 35 hits in her next 100 at-bats? Round to 3 decimal places. Did we not
So
do
this
that
is where the
question?
probability output comes in, yeah?
Yes.
So that's the z-score. We just punch that sucker in, and she has to
Yeah.
get at least 35 or greater in her next 100. Where's my applet?
I got 277 or 0.277.
0.277.
That's what are you shading there?
Sorry?
What
Yeah,
which
what are you
parts
shading?
Oh, I shaded the outside.
So not
Oh,
you don't want to go less. It's only right-tailed. Oh, full of.
So 1385.
Oh, what the heck?
0.1385
Yes. Sorry.
or 1.385.
I have
Okay.
0.1385.
Did I put it in right? We're putting in 1.092, right?
Oh, duh, I put in the 87. I'm sorry.
Okay. I got a different answer.
But now I have 0.1374.
That's what I've got.
Oh, I
Yeah.
finally got my applet to open. I'm gonna catch up.
0.1374.
So it'll
Okay,
be
so our
1.37.
our z-score on 12. If that's wrong, then 13 will be wrong.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a good indicator, though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what did you guys got 0.137?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And that's rounded? Oh, I got one. Yeah.
That's
okay.
rounded.
Yeah. It's rounded.
So if we use on question 12, if we use 1.091 or 1.092, it will change that answer with the rounding. One will be 137 and one will be 138.
Yeah.
So just make note of it in case we have to come back and change it. Then we're only off by 1 second. Saving Emma time. Okay.
Thanks.
So what is the standard deviation of p hat? Oh my goodness.
That's
So
that
that's
one stupid thing.
p times 1 minus p over n.
So 0.52 times 1 minus 0.2496.
Oh, let's get the number.
Okay, I got 0.01117. What do you think? Just love the
So
ones
you have your formula 0.052 times 1 minus 0.052.
Yep.
Divided by 2,000 squared, all of it, square root.
Square all of it. Yeah.
And you had 0.01549 blah blah blah.
No. What am I doing wrong? So I got 0.01117.
I can't get mine to do the square root thing.
Jeremy, did you get 0.01549?
No, but I'm doing it again. I got 0.004964.
.52 times 1 minus 0.2 end of parentheses divided by 2000 equals square root.
Yeah,
Oh,
I keep
I
on
have
getting.
1117 now.
Okay. 0.01117, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
I got something different. Okay, I'll try again. One minus point.
Oh, I'm using the stupid standard deviation formula. That's my problem.
Wait,
So I just need X over N.
I was doing the same thing.
Yeah, I was doing. Well, no, that's what it is. We're asking what is the standard deviation of p hat.
So that was right?
Yeah,
Standard deviation.
that's what we're looking for.
Right. Okay.
Oh, and you get 0.011, 0.011.
Yeah.
Oh, I got that. 0.01171.
Yeah.
So rounded to 3 decimal places is 0.012.
No.
Point.
11.
Yeah. 0.011.
3 ones and then a 7.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. What
So
z-score would you use?
Well,
For 50%?
wouldn't you do the p hat minus p divided by what we just found?
Square root. Yeah.
Oh, but what is p hat?
That's what.
P hat is the other one.
X over N.
X over n.
But X is what we don't know. Is that going to be 50%? 0.5?
I would think so. 0.5.
0.5 over 2,000 is 1,000. No, 0.00025. So put that one over here. Minus 5, 2. Okay, what do I do with that now? I gotta divide that by what?
P hat. You got p hat.
I got p hat of 0.00025, 0.00025.
So you want to minus that from p. Just
And then divide it by n again?
then divide it by the
Square
point.
root. Of
Yeah,
p.
the 0.01117.
0.1. Oh, yeah, okay.
I can read off that long list of numbers if we want.
Wow, that is a long list of numbers.
Yeah.
46 point whatever, negative?
Yeah, I got negative 46.530 or 31. Is that what you got?
Yeah, I got 3-1.
What does that even mean? All right.
That's
So
a z-score. That's weird.
that can't be a z-score, actually. Put that in your applet and see what kind of crap you get on that. All right. Z-score. What z-score would you use? I don't know, guys.
I don't know.
Like, should we do that through the applet?
I'll just give you an error code.
Yeah. Maybe it's not 0.5. Maybe x isn't 0.5.
I thought I remember seeing something like this in the textbook example. I gotta see if I can find it. Emma, do you still have your textbook open?
Yeah.
Do you remember that question about the voting? Something like
That's the first one.
50% for Trump or 50% for Hillary. I can't remember what it was.
So what I'm seeing is the z equals p hat minus p divided by the square root of p times 1 minus p parentheses over nu or n.
Is that the one that is the example that they gave us for the voters
Mhm.
election?
Yeah, that was the last formula they gave us.
I'm just
Yeah,
wondering
and
what
so
the
they
X
did
is.
do 0.5 for the X,
Yeah,
for
and
50%.
yeah.
No, for P hat. That's weird. So it says, to address this question, we first note that the survey will suggest that the candidate will win if more than 50% of the people surveyed favor the candidate. So we do following: P times P hat is greater than 0.5. And so P hat, we put in for P hat is 0.5.
Oh yeah, because that's half of it.
Yeah.
Is that what we're measuring for this though, is half?
Yes.
Perfect.
I don't know. Because 16, we're
Every
going to need
answer I'm
a
getting is
good
even
z-score.
close. Like to a z-score, I'm getting triple digits and double digits. I'm trying to put it in different directions, but
Well, let me try this. Hang on. 0.5 minus 0.52. So what I did was just P hat. I just made P hat 0.5 because we're looking at the 50%. So I did 0.5 minus 0.52, and then I divided that by the 0.01117, and I got a negative 179. 17905.
1.79.
Yeah, negative
Okay,
1.79.
that sounds like a p-score. So instead of taking the 0.5 and dividing it by the n, you just put it straight in as 0.5.
That's what I did. Yeah.
Okay, let me just check that then and see if I get the same. Because I like the sound of that number more than my double-digit crap.
Yeah. Then the 40, negative 40.
Okay, so negative 1.79 in an applet.
Negative 1.791. That's what I got. And are we doing it all the right side, or are we going to do it all the left? Like,
Have
we
to get
say it all the right?
50% or more, right?
Yeah.
Oh, less than 50%. It says losing.
So, all on the left. Right?
Yes. So that would give us 0.037.
That's what I had too.
Submitting my quiz.
I'm going to submit mine too.
Whoa! I missed a question then.
Which one?
15?
15? Oh, so that's negative 1.79. So instead of taking the 50% and dividing it by the 2,000, she just put that in as p hat 0.5 and then work your equation using that.
Okay, so 15 is 0.5 then?
No, so 15 you're going to use 0.5, but when you work that into your equation for your z-score, you get negative 1.79.
79. Okay.
Also, on question 7, it's not the 13.33. It's probably the 40, what Jeremy did.
Oh.
Or
Okay.
Jeremy will look it up and tell us.
Is that the only one we got wrong?
Yeah.
Did we put 40?
I don't know what you guys put. I put something else.
Okay.
So was number 12 right or wrong?
Number 12, I believe it was right.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, it was right.
And that was 0.1 or 1.091?
1.092.
1.092, okay. And then, so that makes a number 13, 1.37.
0.137.
0.1.
You got those ones right. Because I wasn't sure. I was off by 1
Yeah, we've got those.
because of the rounding. Any other ones we got to check?
Nope.
Nope.
You get 100%.
You're gonna kill me. What's number 16?
It's 0.037.
Thank you.
Booyah. Hey, everybody done off the air. You got 9 minutes to spare, Emma.